We teach you a technique if you want to do all of you. A small meditation for students. Would you like to do? He's a trainer for me for the past 10 years. This is known as Superbrain Yoga. You can check superbrainyoga.org and you will know the details about it and how it helps the mentally retarded people, or you can enhance the intelligence of a student. Just 7 or 10 counts. Only 7 or 10 facing one direction. One, you can do everything. They follow this meditation. It's not most of the schools in Calcutta also. They have started with us, but we were not able to go continuously and do it every day during their prayers. So we have this small meditation, the Superbrain Yoga, and we ask them to bless. Now, if you have any problem in life, any difficulty in life, we ask them to bless for the desired results. And the students started doing it, you know. They would imagine their percentage of marks they want to acquire, and they would sit and bless, and they would do that technique which we taught them, and they were so happy. We have these techniques for all age group. तो एक पर्टिकुलर चक्र है जिसको हम लोग बेसिक चक्र है मूलाधार चक्र बोलते हैं, जो मनी से बहुत रिलेटेड होता है, जो हम लोग प्लानिंग के लिए वर्कशॉप में सिखाते हैं. तो वो इफेक्टेड हो जाता है और आपका मनी का चक्र इफेक्टेड होने से क्या होता है, आपका बैलेंस सही नहीं होता और गुड लक अट्रैक्ट नहीं करते हैं. आप हमेशा गलत लोगों से मिलेंगे. आप अगर स्ट्रेस रहेंगे ना, आप देखेंगे कभी भी आप हैप्पी लोगों से मिलेंगे, क्योंकि आपको वैसे ही लोग अच्छे लगेंगे जो आपको बोलेंगे हाँ बेटा तुम बहुत दुखी है, तुम्हारा जिंदगी बहुत परेशान है, मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है. सो दे स्टार्ट being close to you when they are also sad. But if you are a happy person, दुखी आदमी आपके पास नहीं आएगा. बोलेगा इसके साथ तो बात करके फायदा नहीं, तो ज्ञान देने लग जाएगा.
अच्छा, दूसरा एक हमको क्वेश्चन है अभी तो.
In psychotherapy, we have a technique where we will heal the chakra and instruct the chakra where they will not get addicted. There is a technique and a formula in the 3rd level of our class. First is basic pranic healing, then is advanced pranic healing, and then is psychotherapy. A person who learns psychotherapy can help anyone who is addicted to these kind of things, either it's social media or any kind of whatever, so many things. We have so many testimonials we can share with you. If you give me your number, I'll share so many testimonials of the people who have come out of their addictions. It takes a little time, like 3 months, we will change the person. People who are into rehab also, who go for rehab or they are into treatment, we help them come out of this in such a beautiful manner. There is a story of a person who was so badly addicted to alcohol, a very rich person in Calcutta, I'll make it very short. And he had to be in rehab. The family had so much of money, they would send him to any kind of rehab all over the world. You know, and then when he would come back, the moment he would step in Kolkata at the airport, he would ask for it. And he would pay his driver and he would be cribbing for it. Then this mother came to me. She came with a feeling that ठीक तो होगा नहीं, मेरे को पता है, जब वो लोग नहीं कर सकते तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं. मुझे किसी ने बोला तो मैं आई हूँ आपके पास. मेरे को आंटी आप 6 महीना दीजिए, 3 महीना नहीं, मुझे 6 महीना दीजिए, आपका इस बेटा को मैं ठीक करूँगी. आज उसने रिहैब खोला है कैलकाटा में. You can ask him also if you meet sometime, and he's completely a silo of Bhatt now. He has started following everything in a proper manner, and he's opened a rehab in Calcutta. And he is doing wonderful. He's bought Audi, he's bought so many cars, he's making so much of money, and he's fantastically doing well. He came out of this. We have to heal him every day. With cancer patients, we are healing. Now, cancer patient, I was dealing with one person with so much of fear and stress. Doctor said he 6 दिन से ज़्यादा नहीं बचेगा. Then I sent one of my team because I was very close to them. So we did a lot of counseling for him to come out of the stress first. Then we gave him a lot of happy moments, like all his old memories, albums, and achievements and everything. And gradually we started healing him. 2.5 years तक हो रहा है. ठीक है, 6 दिन का था, but there was some life he could help. So chronic healing, the techniques and the formulas which we give in our courses, in our workshops, are unimaginable. Because we don't talk about religion, God, Bhagwan, Puja, Mantra, ऐसे नहीं बोलते हैं.
What about food? Do you say to have veg, non-vegetarian?
Nothing, no inhibitions.